Hi everybody, out for my little walk today. This is my full pack that I'm carrying right now. So there you have it. That's my full pack setup. Right now I'm not using my trekking poles, so they're up there. But there's a vertical view, hopefully, that you can see. And just wanted to welcome my new subscribers. Keep picking up one or two a day, it seems like, which is cool. I'm happy with that. So, if you are thinking about doing a through hike, you definitely need to fill up your pack with full weight and hike with it. So, once again, you should be able to see my pack in the front. I definitely want to make some adjustments in this area with the stuff that I have hanging off the front, which you will do as you're going through your through hike. You'll make adjustments. And it's like 32 out today in Michigan. We got some snow yesterday, not much, maybe half an inch. And that's what I'm walking through now in the woods. So now I'm less than 2 months from my start. Time is starting to fly by. And once we get to February is a short month, so that'll fly by. And there are two places in the fence that are cut through. This is a trail, deer trail. Goes up here. I can't believe it. Somebody cut a hole through the doggone fence again. I think this is a nature preserve up here. So you can see the deer really like it. The deer go right through here. Interesting. So anyways, I don't have a ton to say today. Just the fact that get out there and practice hiking. Practice sleeping in your sleep system. I do that a lot at home. I fill up my sleep pad, sleep in my quilt, and believe it or not, there's a lot of things you learn just by sleeping at home in your sleep system. It's very important to do. And like I said before, when you start hiking, you will notice aches and pains that you haven't noticed before. Usually with me, like today it was my right hip. Felt like the hip flexor was really straining. And all you do is just stop, do a little bit of stretches, do a few of them, and once you stop, it doesn't hurt at all. And it will work itself out, that's for sure. It will work itself out. So just make sure that you start slow when you start hiking. And with your backpack, start real slow. Take smaller steps. Let your body get used to it. So, if you like this video, hit the like button. What's not to like? Being out in nature with COVID running rampant. So, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. And hit the like button if you liked it. And really, the main thing that I'd like to ask you to do is, I have a lot of interesting videos on my channel. This one, probably not going to be that interesting, but I do have a lot of information. And I am going to do a gear video, a 2021 gear video of everything I'm taking on my thru hike. And don't be afraid to tweak your gear. If you find something that's not working, by all means, go on YouTube, go on Google, do some research, find out what other people are using, what they found to be successful, and don't be afraid to switch out your gear. You can always sell your old gear. You can give it to family or a friend, help them to get into backpacking. Or you can even give it away on your channel. But anyways, there's nothing like being in the woods, I'm telling you. So hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. See you next time.